I want my own stream elements with blackjack and PowerShell. In fact, forget the blackjack.
If you want to trigger various animations and have a full control over what you present, you will need to grab the followers list and present different animations in OBS. That sounds easy, but I did not find anything that would allow me to be able to run everything locally and have this custom scripts that would allow me to trigger everything I want in Character Animator as well as OBS. Solution was easy. I made this, and we will go over how it works and how can you make one for yourself. First thing we see when we open the attached link is a GitHub page where we have the described steps that are required in order for you to deploy the application. Let's go over them in a little bit over details. First step is reading a link to what you need to download in order for everything on your computer to work. Step number 2 are some commands that you need to execute in order to finish setting up your environment. Step number 3 describes some files that you have and where exactly the names of your new followers and existing followers of that is +10. This is new. And you will be able to understand where it is. And step number 4 is how to run it. For now, let's go ahead and review the first time usage because we will be able to see exactly how it works and what it brings to us. Let's start by downloading the code as a zip. Extract what you just downloaded to any folder where you like it. After you finish downloading everything, open the file get moderator activity and you will be able to set up the following variables. First of all, set up your username, set up where you save your script, set up where you store the audios that you wish to play every time someone follows you, and optionally you can set up the duration. By default, it will be taken from the audio clip that you're playing. But in case your audio clip is very long, you may be more interested in setup, for example, 5 seconds, so not everything is being played. Other than that, you're good to go, just save it. After you finish setting up the script, you will just need to type in where you saved your file and run the get moderator activity script. If all goes well and OBS is running, you will see the OBS connected message, and soon there will be the numbers running. This is how you know that everything is good. Let's wait for a little bit. First time you may see a bunch of errors and it will be associated with your Explorer. Let's look at Explorer now, because this is good. When you run the PowerShell, you will see the Internet Explorer window is suddenly opened. And this means that you need to just log into your account and your password will not be stored anywhere. This is all you need to do. The PowerShell script will be using this window to grab the text and let you understand who is there, and I'm actually using this window to just go ahead and monitor my stream, and I'm using this in case I need to jump between the different streams during the broadcast. So just logging, make sure that you brought this activity field on your dashboard and you're good to go. We can open the file where we store our last followers, that's called last follow, and let's say we delete top 3 and save it. Our script should pick it up. And alert as the new guys are joined. And this is a really quick and easy way for you to set it up once, and from here on just run it with one command and have your own control and you can play with it much more because now you're in charge of what music you're playing, what animation you're playing, what gifs you're playing, what overlays you're making combination of. And this makes it much more creative because what you can do is you can go ahead, open up your OBS, you can stack a bunch of things inside, like a text that you want to say, whoever is joining you, the background, the text of the new followers, and you can group them together and you can name them follower animation. As much things as you want can be inside. And this is how you can automate it. Hope that's useful. Cheers.